Adverbs Unraveled, a comprehensive guide to their types and uses. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're delving deep into the world of English grammar, and our focus is on adverbs. They're an integral part of our language that can add so much depth and detail to our sentences. So, let's jump in and discover the different types of adverbs and how we can use them effectively. To start with, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, an adjective, or even another adverb. They tell us how, when, where, and to what extent something happens. It can change the meaning of a sentence by adding essential details. For example, in the sentence, "She sings beautifully," beautifully is the adverb that describes how she sings. There are several different types of adverbs, each with a unique role in a sentence. Adverbs of manner. These adverbs answer the question, how? They often end in "ly," like slowly, quietly, or cheerfully. For example, the child slept peacefully. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time answer the question, when? These adverbs provide information about the timing of an action, like yesterday, tomorrow, now, or soon. For instance, he will leave tomorrow. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place answer the question, where? These adverbs tell us where an action occurred. Words like here, there, upstairs, or downstairs are common examples. For example, she is waiting outside. Adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tell us how much, or in what degree, an action has occurred. They modify adjectives or other adverbs. Common adverbs of degree include very, quite, almost, and to. For instance, he is almost ready. Adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency answer the question, how often? These adverbs tell us how often an action happens. Words like always, never, often, sometimes are examples of adverbs of frequency. For instance, she always wakes up early. You may be wondering why we need to know all these types of adverbs. Well, understanding and using adverbs effectively can enhance our language, making our communication more precise and expressive. They add detail and depth, helping us to convey our thoughts more clearly. So, don't underestimate the power of a well-placed adverb. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the different types of adverbs. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of these versatile words and feel ready to use them in your everyday communication. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be shy to try them out. Until next time, happy learning. Note: it's always a good idea to encourage viewers to practice what they've learned and keep their enthusiasm up for learning. Your conclusion should always express the hope that the video was helpful and encourage them to keep learning.